If you understand this text, your English level is C1. Using public transportation has become an essential part of my daily routine. Each morning, I take the bus to school, a decision that I made not only for financial reasons but also because I want to reduce my environmental footprint. Public transport, in my opinion, is one of the most practical solutions to urban problems like traffic congestion, air pollution, and rising fuel costs. My morning starts with a short walk to the nearest bus stop. Although buses are scheduled to arrive at specific times, delays occasionally happen due to traffic or roadworks. Instead of seeing that as a problem, I take advantage of the extra time by listening to a podcast, reading a novel, or simply observing my surroundings. This time has become a quiet, reflective part of my day, something I didn't expect to enjoy as much as I do. The ride itself is usually smooth and takes around 30 minutes. I often sit near the window, watching the city slowly come to life. Over time, I've noticed familiar faces on the bus, people with similar routines, which adds a small but comforting sense of community. The driver is always courteous, and I appreciate how consistent and reliable public transport has become, at least in my area. Aside from personal convenience, I genuinely believe that choosing public transport is a responsible act. For students especially, it offers an affordable and accessible way to travel. But beyond the personal benefits, it contributes to a larger goal: building cleaner, more sustainable cities. Do you think more people should use public transportation? Why or why not?